Day 9 of the Flipathon, the 30-day motivated seller challenge. And this is my second video because I got another deal, guys. I'm heading up to pick up a Burley bicycle trailer, same color as I had picked the other one up a couple of days ago on my first deal of the Flipathon. I bought the first one for 40 bucks, but I'm buying this one for 80 bucks. But it's a little bit nicer. But I sold the first one for 210 bucks. So I still have a lot of room to make money off of it. But again, I'm buying it right now to try to use it, because the first one that I got, even though I flipped it and was in good shape, I didn't feel like it was safe enough or good enough for me to use for my own kids. So I wanted to get it a newer one. There was nothing wrong with the first one, but I just wanted to get a newer one. I knew they were out there if I was just patient enough. And so I don't mind paying an extra 40 bucks for a newer one when the actual value of it is 210 bucks. So I'm still buying it below fair market value. So I'm about to go pick it up. Again, day number 9. This is my second deal. The first deal I picked up was a beautiful deal. It was a brand new electrical bike from one of the top selling popular bikes on the road. It was brand new. It had 0 miles, guys. I couldn't believe it. I thought the lady was fluffing me, right? It had 0 miles. It was from a nursing home. I went and picked it up literally from the nursing home, and the lady said she was in a nursing home. She was old. She didn't have a car. She wanted to be mobile. She thought she could do it with a bike, but after just riding it 2 blocks down, she said it like really hurted her. So she decided not to pursue it, and she was asking 550 bucks for it. Sorry guys, dropped my banana. She was asking 550 bucks for it, so I offered her 200, and then which through my copy and paste system game, and she declined it. And then I copy and paste my second offer. When they declined, it's simple copy and paste. All I do is just change the numbers, and I offered her 250 because it was like brand new. She was giving me 2 keys, the book, the manual, the charger. I mean, and it had 0 miles. Like I couldn't believe it. When I first got there, I looked at the display. It had 0 miles. She couldn't ride it. She would have realized she bought it online only. They shipped it to her. Poor lady couldn't realize she couldn't drive it. Because she could fall and hurt herself. And anyways, so I created a win for her. She got some money. I got a beautiful bike. I'm gonna actually keep the bike, give it to the girl. She says she wants it. She says she's gonna give me $450 for it, because even at $450 is more than 50% off MSRP. So she's getting a brand new bike at 50% below. Okay, it was 0 miles, 2 keys. I mean, the whole works, guys. Like, it's brand new, dude. Like, I showed you the grips on it earlier in the last video. So she's happy with it. I'm happy. I'm gonna make a lot of money for the Flipathon. I mean, I could easily sell this bike for 700 bucks. Even though the new ones go for 800, is 800 plus tax plus shipping. And here, I would sell it for 700. It's brand new. You can get it. The sticker's still on there. The plastic's still on there. It has 0 miles on the display. You can't mess around with that. It just shows you what it is. And you can save yourself $200, $250 by buying it new used through me. So I could easily flip it for 700 bucks. I'm very confident in it. And warp speed, because there's no one else in the market that has 2 keys, the manual, the sticker still on it, and 0 on the display. Offering it 25% below market or something, right? So great day. I'm about to pick up this Burley trailer. Hopefully it'll be in top-notch quality. When I buy something used, I only keep it if it's in top-notch. Because believe it or not, there are people out there that have stuff and they just accumulate. They have a habit of accumulating. And Some of this stuff that I don't even use, dude, is brand new in boxes, man. Literally, I can't make this stuff up. I just bought a bike that has 0 miles on it, guys. This bike is like $1,000, approximately, rounding. So for 250 bucks, that's an awesome deal. 0 miles, can't beat that. 2 keys, charger, manual, stickers on it. So that's the great thing with our society. There's so many people are conditioned to consume, and they have so much abundance, or they put it through debt, and then they have storages, and they have closets full and garages full, and then one day they decide to sell, and that's why you got to be there. You can buy this stuff like 10-20 cents on the dollar. Now this bike that I bought, the e-bike, this is my very first e-bike deal. I was kind of scared to do it. Not scared in the sense of like, oh, I'm scared, but like, hey, I don't know what I'm doing. This is my first deal type of scared. And you know, I didn't want to lose 250 bucks, even though it's not that much money. It's still a risk. I had to drive to pick it up. It was like roughly like 12 miles or 8 miles or something like that, but I kind of got lost or something. So I'm adding a couple more miles on there. But you know, so life is good, guys. I'm cycling. I don't have a car. I'm loving it. You know, I can't complain. You know, today I went home and had time to play with my kids and take them to the pool. I love that, dude. And I love being able to make these videos for you guys and help you guys, motivate you guys to make some money. If you have my book, I really appreciate you supporting me. If you don't, I highly recommend getting it, because the skills I'm teaching you are unbeatable. Not only in real estate, but also in life. Because this flip that I just showed you, that I just did with the e-bike, is multi-dimensional, because you'll have the same skills in real estate. Anyways, guys, I gotta get on the map and see where I'm going, but I'll message you in a second when I go to the seller's house to pick this deal up.